The boy is an amazing genius. The useless wooden pallet became precious in his hands. Stepmother's 70th birthday is coming in a few days. The boy really can't think of a suitable gift. Therefore, he plans to use his status as a carpenter to make beautiful and unique art pieces for his stepmother as gifts. He first took out 100 yuan to buy some wooden pallets from his uncle. He was so creative and confident with these wooden pallets that he decided to make a unique and delicate wooden watch for his mother-in-law. But when he revealed his plans to his wife thinks he may be crazy, bought these worthless wooden pallets for $100. The woman was worried about embarrassing her mother. Then she began to scold him loudly. But when the manufacturer of the finished product presents amazing beauty and exquisite craftsmanship, the woman was instantly amazed and completely attracted. Stepmom received this precious gift. She not only praised the boy for his good craftsmanship, but also rewarded him with a precious bottle of wine. Now let's drink red wine together and admire how the boy made this unique gift. When you look at this stage, this exquisite wooden watch is finished. Although the video is only a few minutes long, but in fact, it took the boy 7,746 hours to complete this task. So everyone encourages artisans. Your support is the driving force behind our creation. Thank you very much. Can you evaluate this wooden watch? If the maximum score was 100, how many points would you give him? Welcome to the comments section. See you next time.